Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove the gear knob of the gear shifter on BMW E60. This is the gear knob that we're going to remove. In order to remove it, we need to press the button and then pull the gear knob upwards. You might want to use both hands to help you pull it up. And as the gear knob out, here you can see that's the button I'm pressing, and then I'm pulling it upwards. Next we're going to remove this leather cover, and now we have access to the gear shifter. We're also going to remove this plastic. You just need to pull it up, and then there is two electrical connectors that you need to remove. And that's this plastic out. Now we're going to put it back on and put on the two electrical connectors and then put the gear shifter back on. When we put the gear shifter back on, we just need to push it in all the way and it will go in. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.